Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change size of your list in the Power BI report and size of all your objects. First of all, you can change size like this way. It's like easiest way. It's simple, but I would like to build like equal boxes sometimes. The pretty simple way, just copy and paste it. Yes, but sometimes you should make it like bigger um, or something. And I would like to use this kind of options, like go to the general, go to properties, and here we have like we can manually change size like this way, and it will be the best options for me, I think, because this is pretty equal. Another way how to change the size of all the page. So go to the format page, go to the format page, like canvas settings, and here we have custom. And here you can change, like make it like this size or much bigger size. Yeah, and here we have background, so make it fit. So it's much bigger. You can like add some more information on your page and build your report quite better. So thank you for your time.